Someone tells you their name, and you smile, nod, and even repeat it back to sound confident. Then 5 seconds pass, and it's gone. You're still standing in front of them, still nodding, and somewhere in the back of your mind, a quiet panic begins to surface. Was it James? Was it Jason? You have absolutely no idea, and the moment you realize it, a quiet guilt settles in. As if forgetting a name is evidence of something wrong with you, like you're careless, distracted, maybe even unkind. But here's what the science actually says, and it's going to change how you see this entirely. Your brain wasn't being lazy, it was overwhelmed, and that difference matters more than you think. Names are among the most cognitively challenging things your brain holds on to, not because they're complex, but because they're nearly meaningless in isolation. Think about it. The name Daniel tells your brain absolutely nothing. It doesn't connect to a texture, an emotion, a memory, or a place. It's just a sound, floating in midair with nothing to anchor it. And your brain, which constantly decides what to keep and what to release, often lets that sound slip away before it ever reaches long-term storage. This is where it gets genuinely interesting. When you meet someone new, your working memory is handling an enormous amount at once. It's decoding faces, processing voices, tracking social signals, and managing your own anxiety all at the same time. Name encoding doesn't fail because you're not paying attention. It fails because you're paying attention to everything else. And there's something even more specific happening in that exact moment of introduction. The second someone says their name, you're not fully present to receive it. Your nervous system is still adjusting from the social pressure of being seen and evaluated. Neuroscience describes this as attentional narrowing, a state where your awareness collapses inward just when you need it to open outward. It's not a character flaw, it's a physiological response. Now, here's the part that reframes everything. People who consistently forget names tend to be emotionally attuned in conversations. They absorb tone, energy, and unspoken meaning at a level others don't. Research in social cognition consistently finds that individuals with high empathy often prioritize emotional information over factual labels. You're not forgetting names because you don't care about people. You might be forgetting them precisely because you care so deeply about the experience of the person in front of you. The name gets lost in the fullness of actually seeing them. That's not a flaw, that's a particular kind of presence most people never develop. So the next time a name disappears before you can hold it, don't be hard on yourself. Your brain was doing something quietly human. It was trying to understand someone, not just remember them, and maybe that was always the more important task.